Welcome back to another video. This is Acro coming back with another acro yoga video for y'all today, and trying to get these videos out before possibly losing power and losing my voice. So here I'm flowing with a flyer that I've done a video with before, I think too. But you can see here we're actually at a gym doing some flows. So but yeah, hey, you are the first line of defense for your Flyers fall, so by any means you need to be that person that really braces them if y'all are to come down bad or anything. So yeah, if y'all are interested in learning a little bit more about acro yoga, please follow the channel, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way y'all can stay up to date with me and things I have going on within acro yoga. Don't forget to follow the Instagram page. I have that link down in the description below as well. I'll be getting around to doing probably some better videos, honestly, like once I get the channel growing a little bit more. Just kind of wanting to upload content just to get it to take off a little bit better. But yeah, I'm constantly at jams, maybe 3 to 4 times out of the week, practicing, playing, working out for the most part too. So I think during one of these videos we had someone like come up to us and they were like, hey, what is that? That looks cool. And so you really get like a lot of people that find this stuff and they think it's pretty cool to watch. So this is actually going through monkey frog roll. And then there we have our spider roll that we were doing. It could be a little bit better, but honestly it's okay. It's okay. Here going into star, I would imagine probably going into a foot to hand as well. But yeah, I'm also keeping an eye on weather right now, gal, just so I can make sure I know what's happening with our forecast, because I don't want to lose power and while I'm in the middle of recording or uploading as well too. So but yeah, it looks like things are headed this way pretty soon. So sorry about the voice. I wish I could make it better, but for right now it's not that good. So but yeah, this is us playing at a gym over here, and it's called a U-Fit. The lime green purple colors, as you can see. Floating Pashi, that's a fun one to do as well. Floating Pashi is always pretty cool to do. This flyer is only in town every once in a while, so I don't get to play with them that much, but it's always good just to refresh on some things and stuff too. I'm gonna go ahead and let this play for a little while. Oh my gosh. I have some yoga friends teaching a class, but we're about to like be in a tornado warning, so. Oh, am I practicing a freaking hand-to-hand here? That's pretty awesome. I don't remember myself practicing a hand-to-hand, so. That's nifty. I think that's with Hannah too. She's like really good at them, so practicing low hand-to-hands. She's starting them in reverse star. I'm not 100% sure like how reverse star is easier or better than regular star, but still working on those a little bit. I've found out a new entrance for some hand-to-hands that are actually from star, but then having them go into a dead bug to where, and actually I get it a little bit better because I can honestly like use the back of their shoulders to like open up their shoulders to where it doesn't get caught in between the shoulder and the head pretty much. So having my feet like in a dead bug position, which is like the feet further back on top of the shoulders, like more like on the back part, like the scapulas, and then it's easier for them to open up their shoulders a little bit better. So I might have to try that next time I decide to do a hand-to-hand with someone. I think we could get it down. So yep, and looks like tornado warning. Take shelter now. And my friend's like, "Hey, yoga's still going on. Tornado didn't come through." So we're back here at UFit practicing some more flows. I think this was just a different angle from the one I was teaching, or from the one we were doing earlier today as well. Looks like I think we were doing ninja stars here. This looks more like ninja star, except the hips aren't piked. Oh no, I think we're doing pickpocket. This is pickpocket. And this is like when I first started to learn pickpocket too, so everything's pretty slow. But yeah, I definitely plan to start to do like tutorial videos as well. I think that would be like
That's it. We have to make it perfect there.
the most ideal thing for this page, is to start doing some tutorial videos. So soon enough, soon enough. Sweet like candy, sweet like peach tree. Okay, here we go.
Am I back, Benny?
Yep, back in.
So it looks like we got that one down, giving each other some good vibes, high fives, all the good stuff, all the good feels. And this is actually a video that someone else took for us because they came over there and they were like, "What the heck are y'all doing? That looks so cool." And it was like this big old buff dude there at the gym. And he's like, "Man, that looks freaking awesome, but I'm not flexible enough, this and that." And I'm like, "That's why you gotta do yoga, man. That's why you gotta do yoga." So, you know, but be having the flexibility and then also the strength to do some of these moves is just wild. So he's being our cameraman right now, giving us some interesting angles. I'm thinking like he knows, but yeah, no, he did a good job. I'm glad he like came over there and like connected with them for a little bit, so that was good. But yeah, it's always good to see people be like, "Oh my god, what is that? That's so cool!" And then we like do some moves and stuff and like kind of show off. Always fun, always fun. Good vibes, good vibes.
Yeah, I'm good.
Looks like we're getting another angle here. So we worked on monkey frog roll a lot, and then we did some pickpocket as well. Kind of got us into that groove there.
little bit. It doesn't have to be that straight. Because you're still gonna roll forward.
Yeah.
So you can go ahead and commit to the straddle
Yeah.
pipe because that's what we're
It's
going.
easier
Yeah, that's
to-
what we're gonna go ahead and do.
Okay, let's do this. Right?
So come center over here. Perfect. Right there. There you go. Top foot. Yep.
So yeah, here rolling through some more moves. Oh, coming out. That's all good. We caught her. It's always good to know, test your flyers, let them know like what's a good rollout, right? Especially in Star, like Star is like one of the easiest rollouts that you can do. So I always have them come out the back way, like in a back bend kinda, and then just like flick my feet, and that puts them back on their feet for them too. It's a little scary because you think like it's a far fall as a flyer, but honestly, it's not that far of a fall. It's just you flicking the feet to make sure that they do come back down to the ground as well, right? So pretty good, pretty good.
Back into that. Back into the waterfall. Find our shoulder stand again, but we're gonna go into straddle back. Just get the shoulder stand here. Back into straddle back. And then we'll be floating back. There we go. Yep, there you go. There you go. Yep, we'll come down to the ground.
So here in Star, we got people working out in the background, looking good, looking cool. And let's see what the next move is. Monkey frog roll, I'm not sure. But anyways, I want to thank y'all for coming back again. Everyone, extended foot to hand here. Thank y'all for coming back to the channel. Please like, comment, subscribe.